Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use web tabs in Zoho Books. This feature allows you to embed external web pages or applications directly into your Zoho Books interface, making it easier to access tools and information without constantly switching between browser tabs. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with administrative access, as you'll need proper permissions to create and manage web tabs. After logging in, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on this icon to access your account's configuration options. This is where you'll find all the customization tools that allow you to tailor Zoho Books to your specific workflow needs. In the Settings area, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the menu. Type in Web Tabs and you'll find it under the Customization section. This search function is incredibly helpful for quickly navigating through Zoho's extensive settings without scrolling through multiple menus. Once you're in the Web Tabs section, click the plus New Web Tab button in the top right corner. This opens the creation interface where you'll configure your new tab. Start by entering a descriptive name for your web tab in the name field. Choose something clear that indicates what the tab contains so you and your team can easily identify it later. Next, in the URL field, type or paste the complete web address of the page or application you want to embed. This could be anything from a project management tool to a reporting dashboard or even a frequently used calculator. Make sure the URL is complete and accurate to ensure proper functionality. Now you'll need to set visibility permissions, which control who can see and access this web tab. You'll see three options. Only Me keeps it private to your account. Selected Users and Roles lets you specify exactly who has access, and Everyone makes it available to all users in your organization. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If you selected Users and Roles, an additional menu will appear where you can choose specific users and assign roles that should have viewing access to this tab. This granular control ensures sensitive tools or information remain restricted to appropriate team members. Finally, click Save to create your web tab. It will now appear in your Zoho Books interface, giving you quick access to your embedded application whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.